Pro is compared with the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The display type of the Google Pixel Pro LTPO AMOLED and the display type of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III OLED. The refresh rate of the display of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 120 Hz and the refresh rate of the Google Pixel Pro of the display 120 Hz. The display size of the Google Pixel Pro 6.71 inch and the display size of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 6.5 inch. The screen to body ratio of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 88.8% and the screen to body ratio of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 84.2%. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 1440 by 3120 pixels and the resolution of the display of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 1644 by 3840 pixels. The PPI density of the display of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 500 value and the PPI density of the display of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 643. The operating system of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Android value and the operating system of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III Android 11. The chipset of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Google Tensor 5nm and the chipset of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G. The CPU of the Google Pixel 6 Pro octa-core and the CPU of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III octa-core. The GPU of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Mali G78 MP20 and the GPU of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III Adreno 660. The card slot is not available of the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the card slot is available Sony Xperia 1 Mark III Micro SD user SIM slot. The internal memory are available of different type in Google Pixel 6 Pro 128GB, 256GB and 512GB and the internal memory of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III are also available of different type 256GB and 512GB. The RAM of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 12GB and the RAM of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III are also available in 12GB. The main camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro are triple camera, 50 megapixel wide camera, 48 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. In the main camera of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III quad camera, 12 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and 0.3 megapixel depth camera. The feature of the main camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro dual LED flash pixel shift auto gear in panorama. And the main camera feature of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III ZIS Optics Z-Steel lens coating LED flash panorama area and heat tracking. The video of the main camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30, 60, 120 to 440 fps. The video of the main camera of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 4K into 24, 25, 30 and 60 and 120 fps. 1080p into 30, 60, 120, 240 fps. The selfie camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro is a single camera, 20 megapixel ultra wide camera. The selfie camera of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III is a single camera, 8 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Auto HDR. And the feature of the selfie camera of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III at HDR. The video of the selfie camera of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 4K into 30 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 fps. The video of the selfie camera of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 1080p into 30 fps, 5-axis stereo EIS. The sound of the Google Pixel 6 Pro loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker. And the sound of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker. The 3.5mm jack is not available on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The 3.5mm jack is also available in the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The Wi-Fi of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. In the Wi-Fi of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct DLNA hotspot. The Bluetooth of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 5.2 8DP LE. and the Bluetooth of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 5.2 A2DP. GPS is available in the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the GPS is also available in the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. NFC is also available of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. NFC is also available of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The FM radio is not available of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the FM radio is also not available of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The charging port of the Google Pixel 6 Pro USB Type-C 3.1, and the charging port of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III USB Type-C 3.1. The battery of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 5003 non-removable battery, and the battery type of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 4500 non-removable battery. The fast charging 30W of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the fast charging 30W of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The USB power delivery 3.0 of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the USB power delivery of the 3.0 Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The SIM of the Google Pixel 6 Pro Nano SIM and eSIM, and the SIM of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III Hybrid Dual SIM Nano SIM are standby. The water resistance of the Google Pixel 6 Pro IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 minutes per 30 minutes. And the water resistant of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III IP65 and IP68 dust resistant up to 1.5 meters per 30 minutes. The 5G technology are available of the both smartphone. The line data of the Google Pixel 6 Pro 19 October 2021, and the line data of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 14 April 2021. There are different prices are available of the both smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, please leave a comment and I will try to reply.